Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a BMO Youth account. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to effectively manage your account and make the most out of its features. First, let's start with the basics. A BMO Youth account is a type of bank account designed for young individuals, typically between the ages of 13 and 18. It's an excellent way to introduce teenagers to the world of banking and help them develop good financial habits. To get started, you'll need to open a BMO Youth account. You can do this by visiting a BMO branch with a parent or guardian, as you'll need their signature to open the account. You'll also need to provide some identification, such as a birth certificate or passport. Once your account is open, you'll receive a debit card and a checkbook. The debit card can be used to make purchases online or in store, and to withdraw cash from ATMs. The checkbook can be used to write checks to pay for goods and services. Now, let's talk about how to manage your account. You can check your account balance and transaction history online or through the BMO mobile app. This is a great way to keep track of your spending and make sure you're staying within your means. To deposit money into your account, you can use the mobile app to deposit checks, or you can visit a BMO branch to deposit cash or checks. You can also set up direct deposit, which allows you to automatically transfer money from a part-time job or allowance into your account. When it comes to spending money, it's essential to be responsible and only spend what you can afford. You can use your debit card to make purchases, but be sure to keep track of your account balance to avoid overdrafts. Finally, let's talk about some best practices for using a BMO Youth account. Make sure to regularly check your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. You should also keep your debit card and account information safe and secure, and never share your PIN or account number with anyone. In conclusion, a BMO Youth account is a great way for young individuals to learn about banking and develop good financial habits. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your account and make the most out of its features. Remember to always be responsible with your spending. Keep track of your account activity, and seek help if you have any questions or concerns.